Hi, my name is Edward, and today I want to show you how I created my homemade bicycle trailer. These are some of the materials that I will use. 2 bicycle wheels from my old bicycle and some wooden boards that I found on trash. Also, I found this metal part is from an old fridge and I will cut 4 squares. I need these 4 squares to connect the wheels to the wooden boards. I cut the squares and I clean them, and now I will remove the sharp edges. The next step is to measure the size of the wheel axle and to put that size in the middle of the all metal squares. I have to remove this part. Now I will cut 4 boards that are 74 centimeters long. I will connect every of the metal squares to the middle of every of the wooden boards. I will connect the boards to wooden cubes. This is the holder that holds the wheels. The wheels holders are done. Here I arranged the parts, the wheels holders and the boards. I think you will understand what is the construction of the whole thing. Now I just have to connect everything with bolts and screws. all the parts are connected. The next step is to create that part that connects the trailer to the bicycle. And I will use this metal thing. I will cut it in the middle because it's too long. Okay, that's my bicycle, and here is the place that I will connect the trailer. This is the metal thing that I cut before, and also I created this holder with some wooden boards, and I clamped them together with these clamps. Here I have to make arc on this metal thing to be possible to connect to the bicycle. The arc is done. It was difficult because I do it by hand. Now I will work a little bit more on these metal details. I will drill some holes to make the connections to the trailer. Little bit more work here, and that's the result. Now I will remove these clamps and I will put some bolts and screws to finish this thing. The last thing that I have to do is the connection to the bicycle. I found these two parts and with them I will create this connection. It will look something like this. Here I will drill a hole. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my channel, you can check my stores in Teespring and in Redbubble. Everything is in the description. Goodbye.